Welcome back. I've got a super easy one-pot recipe for you. Coconut chickpeas and spinach stew. It's also easy on a sensitive stomach, so let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. Olive oil, leeks, chickpeas, coconut milk, vegetable broth, fresh spinach, and some spices, turmeric, ginger, and parsley. Plus, we're serving it over some jasmine rice. First, rinse your jasmine rice under cold water to remove excess starch. Then cook it on the stovetop or in a rice cooker. If you're unsure how to make jasmine rice on the stove, check out my video. I'll link it here and in the description. Today I'm making 1 cup of rice. While the rice cooks, let's prep the vegetables. Start by chopping your leeks. Make sure to clean them well after chopping, as dirt can get trapped between the layers. Now turn on your wok or your large pan to a medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll use this to saute the leeks. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped leeks. Saute them for about 5 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. This will add a delicious base to the stew. Feel free to add garlic or any of your favorite seasonings here if you like. I skipped them this time because my stomach has been a little bit sensitive lately, but the garlic would be a great addition for extra flavor. Next, let's add the spices: ground ginger, turmeric, and dried parsley. Stir well to coat the leeks in those beautiful spices. Now add in the chickpeas. You want to rinse and drain them first. Give everything a good mix and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Time to add the coconut milk. Pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and stir to combine with the spices and chickpeas. This is going to create that rich, creamy base in our stew. Next, add 1 cup of vegetable broth. Stir it in and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the coconut milk melts into the broth and everything comes together. Once the stew is simmering, add your fresh spinach. It'll cook down quickly. Stir it into the stew and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the spinach is wilted. Now that the stew is ready, it's time to serve. Spoon a generous amount of stew over a bed of your cooked jasmine rice. Look at that! This coconut chickpea spinach stew is so vibrant, comforting, and packed with flavor. It's perfect for a cozy dinner or a meal prep for the week. I'm just going to give it a taste. So creamy, hearty, and the spices are just right. You're going to love how easy this is to whip up. I always divide my leftovers into pints for an easy grab during the week. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more yummy recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for a full printable recipe, and most of the products and ingredients I used in this are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.